What is the first question at you?
When electric current will flow in
When
the circuit.
electric current will, what is it?
Flow in the circuit.
Flow in the circuit. Right. So, in the circuit, this kind of a switch is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you move this lever up, this is called switch is open. What kind of switch it is?
Open.
Open switch.
Open.
If you move it down, now it is a closed switch. If the switch is open like this, current will not flow in the circuit. If you close the switch, now current will flow in the circuit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, if you look at this diagram, in what position the switch is there in the diagram? In what position the switch is there in the diagram?
Open position. Open position.
My question it is, when electric current will flow in the circuit?
No.
No.
If the, okay, or when the, what is it? Switch is, what is it?
Close.
Closed. First question answered. First question, what is it? Answered. Now, second question. From which point to which point current will flow? Always remember, current will flow from positive end of the battery to negative end of the battery. So you have to say from positive end of dry cell to negative end of, what is it? Dry
Dry
cell.
cell.
Where to where the current will flow?
From
positive
positive
end
end of dry
cell
cell
to negative end of dry cell. Complete the answering of the second question.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed the second question answering?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Coming to question number 3. What would be your observation when this circuit functions? When this circuit is working, in this one, what will you see?
The bulb will glow.
Bulb will glow. So, simple answer. What would be your observation?
The bulb will glow.
Bulb will, what is it?
Glow.
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 Okay.
Done, sir.
Right. Question number 4. What is the question? What is the
What is the symbol of a battery?
Of a battery.
battery? Okay. If you take the symbol of a battery, okay, very simple. you need to draw a long line, you need to draw a short line, okay, and mark two connecting wires, mark plus here, minus here. That is the symbol of the tri-cell, symbol of the battery.
Done, sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
Question number 5. State whether a closed circuit or an open circuit shown in the diagram. If you look at the diagram, in the diagram, what kind of circuit is shown?
Open circuit.
Open circuit. Open circuit. What kind of circuit is shown in the diagram?
Open circuit.
Open circuit. Okay. Question number 6. What are the units flowing in a circuit when current is flowing in it? Actually, in a circuit, that is flowing are whom? Charge. In what type of charges? They are called electrons, or they are called negative, what is it? Charges. But if you write charges, it is enough for you. Okay? If you write the word charges, it is enough for you. What are the units flowing in a circuit? What are the units flowing in a circuit? Charges are flowing in a circuit. Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, this is another one, only one difference. You can see the switch, correct? You can see the dry cell.
Yes.
But instead of bulb, what they have fixed here?
Motor.
A motor.
Motor.
There is a motor there. Electric motor. So,
Yes.
small motor, electric motor is there. So, when you connect the wires to the motor is going to, what is it?
Spin.
Rotate. Right? You label the motor.
Okay, sir. Done.
Right.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, have we marked it?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the first question to you? What happens if the terminals are changed? Now,
The motor will rotate
the motor will rotate in the opposite direction.
opposite direction.
The motor will rotate in the
Opposite direction.
opposite direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Hello. Good evening. சொல்லுங்க. சரிம்மா. கிருஷ்ணஜன் இந்த கிரேட் 8 தானே இல்லையா? ரைட் ரைட் சரி 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 ஓகே 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 சரி சரி சார் பரவாயில்ல ஓகே 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 சார். Right. So let's answer the first question, my children. What happens when terminals of the cells are
The
changed?
motor will rotate opposite.
The motor will rotate in
Opposite direction.
opposite direction. Okay. First question answered. What can be concluded according to your observation? Okay. Electric current, okay, flows
In
from positive end to, what is it?
negative.
Negative end. Electric current flows from positive end to negative end. Okay. Wait, don't write that. And okay, result of electric current changes with its direction. Result of electric current changes with its, what is it? Direction. Result of electric current changes with its, what is it?
Direction.
Direction.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the third question to you?
What are the conclusions?
What are the conclusions from this observation?
These are the conclusions. What are the conclusions? Read the conclusion.
There is
There
a
is a definite direction for the flow of
Direction for the flow of electric current.
electricity.
Conventionally, it is considered that
The
current
current
flows
flows
from
from the positive
positive terminal
terminal
to
to
the
negative
negative
terminal.
terminal.
Okay. Could you please write it down?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Have you completed writing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed writing?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed writing?
Sir.
Right. What is
Sir.
the fourth
No, sir.
question? Still writing.
Yes, sir.
Quickly complete it.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, your next question. What is the next question to you? What is the next question to you?
What is the conventional?
What is the conventional belief about the
Current.
current? Correct? What is the conventional belief about the current? I will now explain you the conventional belief about the current. Okay. Here, if you take a battery, this is the positive end and what is it? This is the negative end, correct? If
Yes,
you
sir.
connect the positive end and negative end, actually, reality,
Yeah.
negative charges are moving from negative end of the dry cell to
Positive end of the dry cell.
positive end of the dry cell. It is the truth. Okay. This is the, what is it?
Truth.
Truth. What is the truth? Negative charges are moving from
Negative end to the positive.
negative end of the dry cell to
The positive end of the
positive end of the dry cell. In the old days, in the old days, the people of that time, the scientists of that time, they believed, it is a belief, not truth. It is a, what is it? Belief. Positive charges are moving from positive end of the battery to
Negative end of the right.
positive charges are moving from, what is it? What is this going on? Okay. Positive charges are moving from
From the positive end to the
positive end of the battery to negative end of the battery. It is a belief. Okay. Point it is, first, this was the first. Later only we got to know the, what is it?
second.
Truth. First, it was a belief.
Second, it was a truth.
Later only we got to know this is wrong and this is
Truth.
truth. These scientists who lived in that time, believing this, they developed many scientific laws on it. If we say these are wrong, then all these laws are becoming useless. Understood? Is this one truth?
No.
No. Is it truth? No. But if this telling this is not true, you are wrong, you are rejected, mean all the laws built by them on that belief are becoming wrong. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If the laws are becoming wrong, it is loss for us. So what we told was, let the truth be truth. Let's take this one as what kind of current?
Conventional.
Conventional current. It's a believing current. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we believe that way. Now it's very simple idea. Now one pair, okay, one pair of people, okay, a married couple, they adopt a child. They adopt a, what is it? Child. When they adopt the child, is that man the real father of that child?
No.
No.
Yes.
Adopting, you know, no. We are collecting orphan children from other people and grow. Correct? That is called adopting.
Yes.
Now, for the after adoption, is that man is the real father?
No.
Is that lady the real mother?
No.
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 If you tell this child, I am not your father, I am not your mother, you are an orphan, we are growing you, that child will be not
Sad.
developing love, affection, okay, like things with those parents, correct? And the child will be worrying also. I don't have father, I don't have mother, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my father and mother are somewhere. These people are not my father, these people are not my mother. Then the father tells something, child, do this one. Sometimes the child can answer, you are not my father, why should I do? All these things are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you tell you are my child, although it is wrong, when the child starts to believe he is my father, she is my mother, the child will get and give all the love and affection to those parents. One lie we are telling, I am your father, she is your mother. That lie breaks all the problems created by that child, correct?
Yes, sir.
After the child well grows up, we can tell, what is it? I am not your father, you are an adopted child. Like that, this is not true. But if we accept it only, all these laws will be saved. Okay, that is called by the name conventional current. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. In the conventional current, what is conventional current? It's a belief. What is the belief? That electric current is flowing from positive end to negative end of electric source. Okay, it is not the truth, but hereafter that is our acceptance. Understood? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? I have given you a long explanation regarding it. Hope you all understood it.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Have everyone
sir.
completed writing?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it, write it.
Sir, complete.
Now done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Done.
Now, these 3 points I think you will understand. Flow of electrical charges in a closed circuit is called electric current. What is electric current? What is electric current?
Flow of electric charges in a closed circuit.
Flow of electrical charges in a closed circuit is called electric current. Actually, electrical charges are moving which end to which end?
Negative to positive.
Negative to positive end. Our belief is they are moving from
Positive to negative.
positive to negative. Why should we believe so? To safeguard, physics laws made on that belief. Why do we want to believe so? Why do we want to believe so?
To safeguard
To
physics
safeguard physics laws made on that belief. Clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Could you please mark it down?
Yes.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what are the instruments used to measure electric current?
Zero center galvanometer.
Center
Galvanometer.
Zero center galvanometer.
Zero center galvanometer and zero center ammeter.
Zero center galvanometer.
Right. What is the first name given?
Zero center.
Zero center
Galvanometer.
galvanometer. Okay. Zero center galvanometer will look like this. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the middle of the zero center galvanometer, there is a capital G letter mark. Okay. Actually, how it is marked? 0 here. Then gradually it is going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to how much it is going?
30.
30. This side also 30.
30.
If this indicator turn to this side, you have to understand current is going this side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If the indicator turn to this side, current is going this side. So using zero center galvanometer, you can measure the amount of current. These are milliamperes marked. What is marked?
Milliamperes.
Milliamperes. Remember, 1000 milliamperes, 1 ampere. How much?
Milliamperes.
1000 milliamperes equal to, what is it?
1 amp.
1 ampere. So 1 ampere is a bigger current compared to these milliamperes. These milliampere current are very, very, very small amount of, what is it?
Current.
Currents. They are not bigger amounts. They are small amount of currents. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the indicator stays on 10 here, how many milliampere? 10 milliampere. If the indicator stays here, 20 milliampere. If the indicator stays here, 30 milliampere. Like that, you can measure the electric current in the circuit. So using a zero center galvanometer, you can do two things. One, you can find the direction of the current. Second, you can find the amount of the current. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, second it is zero center ammeter. Zero center, what is it?
Ammeter.
Ammeter. This is ammeter. Actually, in the galvanometer, if you see 30 here, that 30 is measuring in which units? Milliamperes. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Milliamperes. 10 milliampere, 20 milliampere, 30 milliampere, 40 milliampere, 50 milliampere, that way. Small amount of current only can be measured using galvanometer. If you want to measure a bigger amount of current, then you have to choose a zero center ammeter. Clear?
Meter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you please mark that milliamperes in your tute?
Okay, sir. Ma'am, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. I don't have zero center ammeter in the hands, but it is also same. Only difference is if you take zero center ammeter, this unit is what is it? Ampere. Understood? 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere is ampere, milliampere, ampere. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
I didn't send any science practices to you yet, no?
Yes, sir.
Did I send any science practices to you? No, no?
No,
No, sir. No, sir. No.
Science practices are coming to you, correct?
yes, sir.
Math
Yes, sir.
practices are coming to you. Science practices will flow, inshallah, from Monday.
Okay.
Right. So, here, there is a zero center
William.
milliammeter. Okay, zero center milliammeter. If you use zero center only, you can see the direction. If you just use normal ammeter, will you see the direction?
No.
No, sir.
Give me a minute time, eh? Right. Here, you can see, can you see the indicator? Now,
Yes, sir.
when I touch this wire, can you see it is coming to can you see the indicator is moving?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
sir.
If I change these two, if I fix it here and now touching here, you can see it is going in the other direction. There's a small loose connection there. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So if we change the direction of the current, it will show the other direction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So with that idea, we will go to the lesson, my babies. Right. So first question, first thing to you. Here there is a motor. There is a milliammeter. It is zero center. Okay. It is a zero center milliammeter shown to you. What is my first question here is, okay, draw a diagram. Now, what is the portion I have missed here? What is the portion I have missed here? I have taken this diagram, have edited it. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Here, let us say this is the blue color part of the battery. Okay, this is the red color part of the battery. Here is the front knob of it. Okay. In this case, if you fix the battery in this manner, how the current will flow? Current will flow this direction. Say you are keeping the switch close. Okay. Say you are keeping the switch. What is it? You are keeping the switch closed. It's a picture. It's not easy to make it move down. Okay. Now, current is moving this direction. Current is moving this direction. Current is moving this direction. And finally, reaching this end. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Right. In this case, the indicator will make a reading to this side. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Right. Say this motor at the moment is rotating. This motor is rotating in this manner. Say so. In this manner. Say the motor is rotating in this manner. Okay. Can you complete this diagram? On your answer sheet, can you complete this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it? Have everyone completed this diagram, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now, with all these, I am coming here. I am coming here. What I'm going to do is, I'm removing these arrows. Right. Here, only one correction I am going to do. I am going to reorganize the battery. This side, and this side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, also switch, if you close the switch like this, now how the current will flow? Now current will flow this way, correct? Go through this, come through this, and end on this, correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Starting from the positive, finishing in the negative. This time, this indicator will be reading the other direction. This time, this motor will be rotating in the other direction. Understood? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Can everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you please complete your next diagram in this manner?
Okay.
Remember, some of you would have not taken the printouts of the materials because today in the afternoon only I have sent this material. Some of you would have not got chance to take the printouts. For them, I will send all these pictures in the group. Understood?
Sir, I have taken screenshots.
You have taken screenshots.
Same, sir. I also take.
Okay. So, okay, that is also a fine thing. If you can take a screenshot. If you are not taking screenshots, tell me. I will give you the drawn diagrams in the group. You can use that also. Okay. Have you completed, my children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No.
No. Actually, you have to thank Humaid. He is the one who remembered me and made me to resend you the tute material.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. What would be your observation in these instances? Okay. When the direction of the current, or when the terminals of the dry cell is altered, okay, the direction of motor rotation and the direction of, okay, and the indicator direction in milliammeter are changed. Okay. Right. What are the reasons for the observation? Direction of the current changes when terminals of the dry cell are altered. Direction of the current changes when terminals of the dry cell are altered. Could you please complete it?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Complete.
Done, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
So, measuring electric current. Through this discussion, we already have learned several things. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Report.
What is the what's going on, Shazni? படிக்கும் போது கிளாஸ்ல கன்சென்ட்ரேஷன் இருக்கும், மத்தவங்கள்ட்ட பேசிக்கொண்டே கூடாது.
Sorry, sir.
What is the symbol of electric current?
I.
What is the symbol of electric current?
I.
Capital I.
Capital.
What is the unit of measuring electric current?
Ampere.
Ampere. What is the symbol of ampere?
A.
Capital A.
Capital A.
What are the sub units of measuring electric current? No, you read this.
Ampere and
Milliampere
And microampere.
and microampere. Okay. How do you mark milliampere? Simple M, capital A. This symbol, keep in the mind, this symbol is called, what is it?
Mu.
Mu. So it is mu A. Understood? A mu mark and capital A. Mu mark and capital A, that is microampere. How many milliampere 1 ampere?
1000 milliampere.
1000 milliampere 1 ampere. How many microampere 1 milliampere?
1000.
1000 microampere 1 milliampere.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the symbol of ammeter. Milliammeter and microammeter are used to measure what type of current? Small electric current. If the electric current is bigger, then you can use ammeter. Okay. If the current is smaller, then only you have to use the milliammeter or microammeter. Have you marked the mu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Ammeter. In the ammeter, now I have brought you an ammeter. Okay. First of all, let's have a look on the ammeter. This is, what is it? Ammeter. In the ammeter, in this ammeter, how many amperes we can read? 1 ampere. Okay, up to 5 ampere you can read. In the ammeter, can you see there are 2 knobs there?
Yeah.
One is marked in what color?
This one is
No, what color?
color.
Red color. Red color one is
Positive.
positive. Black color one is
Negative.
negative. Okay, this is ammeter. This is, wait. This is
Milliammeter.
milliammeter. 100 milliampere. See milliammeter, how they have marked. 200 milliampere. 300, 400, 500 milliamperes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, thing is, you can measure 0 to 100 milliamperes. Okay, 0 to 500 milliamperes. Both you can measure using it. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, how much is this? How many milliampere?
200 milliampere.
500 milliampere. In this one, 500 milliampere mean, wait a minute. See on. In this one, 500 milliampere mean this mark. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the one, how many milliampere?
500.
This is 500. This is 1000. This is 1500. This is 2000. So, when this one is reading 500 milliampere, it will read only up to this much. Understood?
Yes, sir.
When this is reading 500 milliampere, it will read up to this. So, which one you can clearly see?
The milliampere.
Milliampere.
The
The milliampere.
milliampere you can clearly see. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because it is nicely making a full turn.
Shown. Yes, sir.
It's making a full turn. Here it will be turning a small one and stay like this.
Yes.
So, when you want to read bigger currents,
We have to use
then you can use ammeter.
Ampere.
If you want to clearly read small currents, which one is the right choice?
Milliampere.
Milliammeter is the right choice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So in a ammeter, okay, the minimum current you can read is how much?
100 million.
100 milliampere. It is really 0.1 ampere. In milliammeter, okay, you can read minimum, okay, it can read less than 0.1 ampere current, okay, it can read less than 0.1 ampere current, and the minimum it can read is 0.1 milliampere. Microampere, it can read less than 0.1 milliampere current. Okay, the minimum it can read it is 0.1 microampere. Okay. So in this one, you are given some questions. Okay. Indicate the following values in milliamperes. How many milliamperes 1 ampere? 1000 milliampere. So 5 ampere mean 5 into 1000. How much is coming?
5,000 milliamp.
5000 milliampere. 2.5 ampere mean what shall we do? 2.5 into 1000. That is 2500 milliampere. 0.5 ampere means 0.5 into 1000. That is
500 million.
500 milliampere. 3.2 mean 3.2 into 1000. That is 3200 milliampere. 1.7 ampere mean 1.7 into 1000. That is 1700 milliampere. Could you please complete it?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. So in this tube totally carries 12 pages. Okay. We have completed up to how many pages?
6 pages.
6 pages. So in another one class, this chapter will be over. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah. So Monday onwards, there will be works flowing to you, works coming to you. Continuously do it, continuously practice it. Okay. Okay. Bye then. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.